in a Volvo.
Morning. Welcome to the Volvo. It's a 1987 Volvo 240. The European version, so it's got one carburetor, one big ass carburetor. And it's a different driving experience to the cars I've driven in my life before. Like, you gotta shift gears extremely slowly, you gotta take it real easy. It's got a big ass engine, it's got a 2.3 liter engine. Doesn't make too much horsepower, but you know, that's the reason why these engines last forever. Like, that's the last thing that's gonna break on this car. This is like one of the most relaxed drives you could possibly have. It's insane. Like, it's so freaking comfortable. The only issue is the car is quite long, so parking sometimes can be an issue. I mean, I deal with it, but like finding parking can be an issue. Can you see the rev gauge? The rev gauge says it's 10 past 8. Gotta shift gears real slow and easy, otherwise the car can't find the gears. It's not bad in corners either, like it rolls, there's a lot of body roll happening, but still got plenty of grip, doesn't feel like you're losing it or anything. Also, it's rear wheel drive, so that's quite a pleasant driving experience. When you're in the higher revs, you can hear the intake. It's quite a nice one. Oh, it's quite angry. It doesn't move much faster after you start hearing them, but I feel like that's the peak limit of torque delivery. Doesn't move much faster, but it sounds quite angry. I do have a GoPro on my head. Man, like, as not weird as I feel doing this on a motorcycle, I feel fucking weird doing it now. Fucking Volvo asshole. Drive the car then, you fucker. Oh, he wants to completely asshole his way to the front. Look, it even tells you how cold it is outside or warm. It's got the temperature gauge. This sucks about driving a car. Like, I hate this. I hate being stuck in traffic, and I don't want to be like on a motorcycle. You go to the front, you're off, you're faster than everyone else, so you're not really in the way. But doing it in the car is a bit of a dick move, so I don't want to do it. You're very subjected to how much of an asshole other people are, like fucking you over in traffic, like cutting you off and shit, like you can't really go around, and it's annoying. Just being stuck in traffic in the first place is very annoying. I hate it. I hate it with a passion. I didn't think it was going to be this bad if I left on time, but I've been proven wrong. See this asshole trying to look at him, motherfucking nuggeting his way. Okay, I'm gonna put on some copyrighted music, cause like. No, never mind. Look at these assholes. This is so annoying. These bumps on the side are too close to the side. Like, they want to discourage you from driving into the wall, but they're way too far off from the wall. Right, driving on the left side means you gotta go, but people don't seem to understand that ever. This does when you put it up. I don't think it does anything, or maybe it's broken. I don't know. I have to look into that. Difficult about driving? Extremely wide ass corners, apparently. And 2 droplets of rain. It's also quite an issue. What do you think? Right lane moving the fastest. I'm a bit envious of you, I'm not gonna lie. As much as this car is nice and all and comfortable, like I hate being in traffic. Stuck in traffic. Listen to the beast, man. Whoop. What did it say? 35 TFSI is like 3.5 liter or like a 35 liter engine? Damn, son. It's a lesson car. It's a learner. He stalled at a traffic light, man. It's a normal thing to happen to a learner. What? So what a big move. You don't honk, man. You don't honk like that. Poor guy or girl that's just learning to drive. Shit happens. Let it be. Oh, let it be. Let it be. this asshole. Bitch, I mean, not an asshole. Mill. Aprilia Mill. Mille? The comfort I am now in is quite high. I don't want to go sit in a lecture hall on an uncomfortable chair with no leg space. I'm sitting like a king right now.